Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making chicken fried rice and I'm so excited about it. This is like one of my favorite recipes. Everybody loves this and I'm going to make it like Hokkaido style. So let's go ahead and get right on to the video and please do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and make the chicken. So I'm going to light up my grill. I'm going to put some olive oil and butter down first. And then add the chicken to it. So I have the chicken all chopped up into little cubes and they're on the bed of butter and olive oil, and I'm going to try and spin them around a little bit, make sure that they're all coated with oil and butter. And then now I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning it. I'm going to add some salt all over it. And I'm also going to add some black pepper. And then mix it up again. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start making the eggs on a different eye. And I'm going to put some butter and start letting it melt. And I'll just dump the onions on there. And I've chopped these up really well. And get some butter for the egg right here. I'm going to do about 4 eggs because I like a lot of eggs in with the rice. I'm going to start frying that. And you can mix up the onion and egg a little bit because they're going to be added to the rice together, so you don't have to worry about that. I chopped up all the chicken and onions with a Snoop 8-inch chef's knife. And now to all of this, I'm going to add salt and pepper. Pre-boil the rice and make sure it's all drained. And then once it's boiled, you want to cool it completely off. So I made this about 3 o'clock and it's probably about 7 o'clock now. So it's been in the fridge for probably around 3 hours. So it's completely cool. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some more butter and then go ahead and add in the rice. So I added in a little over a stick of butter. You want to make sure it's like really able to fry well. And I'm just mixing this all together. Mash down the rice really, really well to get it really good and crispy. And then I'll go ahead and flip it. Okay, so now I'm going to add a bunch of soy sauce once the chicken is cooked. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil down and then throw on some mushrooms. Cook with it. And I'm also going to add a bunch of soy sauce to the rice. May have to open up this new one. going to add some salt and pepper to the mushrooms. You want to put enough soy sauce in this to make sure that it just changes a whole different color. And the chicken also. We always put yum yum sauce on our rice and the chicken once it's plated, and you just do as much as you want. And a trick that we learned to make it taste more like the Hokkaido version is to mix a little soy sauce in with it, with the sauce, and then pour it onto whatever you want to sauce it with. So now to each plate, I'm going to add some rice. And then some chicken. And the veggies that you want. And that's all. And then you put yum yum sauce on it, or you can put just soy sauce on it, whatever you would like. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.